see what's inside in this watch. Like I want to see the battery, I want to see the motherboard, and I want to see the screen. Why did the screen get burned so quickly? Okay, so yeah, I just opened the glass because this glass is already break during the fire test. So I have to detach the glass and let me show you what's happened. Yeah, this is the insides. So first of all, I wanna show you the touch is working or not. So touch did not work because I detached the touch with the screen. This is with the glass, this is only screen. So now we detach the LCD too, and let me show you the motherboard, the battery.